Good morning students. Welcome to the science class. Today we are learn question answers about the sky lesson. Let us start. The first main question is multiple choice. The distance between the moon and the earth is dash. The distance between the moon and the earth is dash. Option A 3,58,500 kilometer. Option B 4,20,000 kilometer. Option C 3,84,400 kilometer. And option D 3,80,400 kilometer. The correct option is 3,84,400 kilometer. The distance between the moon and the earth is 3,84,400 kilometer. Second one, after how many days of new moon day, after how many days of new moon does the crescent moon appears? Option, first option is 2 to 3 days. Option B, 9.66 days. Option C, 4.77 days. And option D, 1 week. The correct option is 2 to 3 days. After how many days of new moon does the crescent moon appears? 2 to 3 days. During which phase is half of the moon visible? During which phase is half of the moon visible? Dash. Option new moon. Option B crescent moon. Option C first quarter. And option D gibbous moon. The correct option is first quarter. During which phases is half of the moon is visible? In the first quarter. Next, time taken by the earth to complete one rotation. Time taken by the earth to complete one rotation is dash. Options 12 hours. Option B 36 hours. Option C 24 hours. And option D 48 hours. The time taken by the earth to complete one rotation is 24 hours. Fifth one. The earth complete one revolution around the sun is about option 365 1/4 days. Option B 355 days. Option C 360 days. Option D 350 3/4 days. The correct option is 365 1/4 day. The earth complete one revolution around the sun. They take about 365 1/4 day. Sixth one. The actual shape of the earth is dash. Option A square. Option B spherical. Option C geoid. And option D flattened. The correct option is option C geoid. The actual shape of the earth is geoid. Seventh, rotation of the earth causes dash. Option A changes in season. Option B day and night. Option C planet to grow. Option D rain and thunderstorm. The correct option is day and night. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. Main question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, Phobos and Deimos are the two moons of the planet Mars. Phobos and Deimos are the two moons of the planet Mars. Second question, the furthest planet from the sun is Neptune. The furthest planet from the sun is Neptune. Third, the planet known for its ring is called Saturn. The planet known for its ring is called Saturn. Fourth, Aryabhatta was the first Indian astronomer and mathematician. Aryabhatta was the first Indian astronomer and mathematician. Fifth, about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and 29% by land. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and 29% by land. Sixth, the Earth revolves around the Sun on its orbit. The Earth revolves around the Sun on its orbit. Seventh, people who study heavenly bodies like stars, planets, and moons are called astronomer. People who study heavenly bodies like stars, planets, moons are called astronomers. Third main question, match the following. First one, red planet. Mass. Brightest planet, Venus. Biggest planet, Jupiter. Blue-green fog, Uranus. Blue planet, Earth. Coldest planet, Neptune. Now question answers. How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Second, write the names of the planets in order. Answer: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Third, which is the nearest planet to the Sun? Answer: Mercury. Fourth, in which planet do we live? Answer: Earth. Fifth, which is the biggest planet in the solar system? Answer: Jupiter. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Answer: Mercury. Seventh, which is the farthest planet from the Sun? Answer: Neptune. Eighth, what position has the planet Earth from the Sun? Answer: third position. Ninth, which planet is called morning star and evening star? Answer: Venus. Question number 10. Which planet is called a dwarf planet? Pluto is called a dwarf planet. Question number 11. Who invented a telescope? Powerful astronomical telescope. Answer: Galileo Galilei. Question number 12. Which comet appears once in 76 years? Answer: Halley comet. 13th. Which belt is present in between the Mars and Jupiter? Answer: asteroid belt. Name the members of the solar system. Answer: Sun, planets, satellites, stars, meteoroids, asteroids, comets. All these are the members of the solar system. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. First one, what is solar system? The sun and the celestial bodies revolving around the sun are called the solar system. Second, difference between geocentric model and heliocentric model of the solar system. First one, geocentric model. Geocentric model is proposed by Caladius Ptolemy. The sun, stars and other planets move around the earth. In heliocentric model is proposed by Nicholas Copernicus and John Kepler. The earth along with other planets move around the sun. Third question, what is natural satellite? Name the natural satellite of the Earth. Answer. An object that orbits a planet or other body larger than itself and which is not a man-made is called natural satellite, and moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Question number 4. Explain meteors and asteroids. Meteors. Due to the gravitational pull, a meteor is attracted towards planet like Earth and other similar heavenly bodies and enters in their atmosphere. Then it is called a meteors. Asteroids. Asteroids, also known as planetoids or minor planets, are rocky or metallic objects of various shapes and sizes. Asteroids are mainly contained within a belt known as asteroid belt that exists between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Question number 5. What are comets? Comets are very small celestial heavenly body revolving around the sun in elliptical orbit. Comets are characterized by a small head followed by a long glowing tail. Comets are made up of water vapor, dust particle, ice particles, and ionized gases. Explain solar eclipse and lunar eclipse with a diagram. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse takes place on a new moon day. When the moon lies in a straight line between the earth and the sun, the moon's shadow falls on certain regions of the earth. For the people in these regions, the sun appears to be blocked for some times. This is called a solar eclipse. You can draw this picture, students. That is a solar eclipse picture. Next is lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse takes place when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. If they lie in straight line, the earth's shadow falls on the moon. Then either the entire visible surface of the moon appears dark or a part of it appears dark. A lunar eclipse also takes place on a full moon night, but not every full moon night. So that is the image of lunar eclipse, students. So you draw both lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Okay, students. So that is completed your question answers. Write neatly once in your classwork. Thank you, students.